cannot believe all the nasty comments I'm getting. I was advised to cut my comments off. I'm not going to cut my comments off. I want it to be displayed of the nasty comments that I'm getting. But I do want to highlight all the good comments that I am getting. I never said that I was making this about, or anybody's making this about Black women. My first video was just checking in on Black women. My second video was just saying we don't have to fight anymore. And that seemed to ruffle feathers. And then when I said, let's get in our rest era, that really ticked off the people, okay? Somebody even said, look up the word era. I tell you, now you want to be smart. Now you want to act educated. Now you want to pull in the Constitution and the statue and everything. You want to do that now. But my thing is this. I've come to realize when you speak to a specific group of people and you exclude, that's when the problem lies. From my reading and my gathering, and I could be wrong, again, this is just my opinion in my channel, I only focused on Black women. This is a beauty and lifestyle channel for women over 40. I don't exclude anybody. My websites, everything, everybody's up there. All different nationalities. I have so many different women up here. But just for this one little moment, I chose to be a little bit more concrete, a little bit more zoned in because of the climate that we're in right now. And some women of other cultures understand. And they're giving us that platform to just live out. But when you exclude people, that is when they want to point the finger. It's not about you. It's not about you. It's about the world. It's about the world. It wasn't about the world on the 5th. But right now, what day it is? On the 9th, it's about Black women. That's my channel is mainly about. And better yet, I even welcome the Black men because they showed up and showed out too. So now I'm going to focus on Black people. And I can do that. It just goes to show me and us, everybody who's in the comments, people are mean and evil. People are mean and evil. And I really think, even though we only a few days in, and he hasn't even been sworn in, you would think it would just be happy. But it's like you could tell I'm just having a conversation, just talking. But whatever I'm saying is irritating individuals. Irritating. I want to go back a little bit. Do anybody remember when the Republican Party was liberal and the Democrat Party was conservative? Anybody remember that? I mean, it was way before my time. But if you do a little research, a little history, does anybody remember that? I found this lady on TikTok. She was talking about how she voted Republican, Black woman. There's nothing wrong with that. And the reason why she voted is because the Republican Party was made by, Black people or more liberal people and all the different things that were passed and so forth and so on, right? I don't want to get too deep. But they don't realize the reason why it was turned. Yeah, you voting for a Republican because it was created by, but it didn't stay that way. It didn't stay that way. And and times change. If we were to stay the same, we would be a mess. We would be a mess. I'm trying to just to speak. I don't want to sound all like correct and all poised and just shooting the cuff, just shooting the breeze and just talking. I just can't believe it. I wish people would sit back and just take a look for a minute. I understand saving, humanity, Well, it's not just, it's only for one race, saving their humanity. And that's not all. So don't take my content out of character. Don't take it out of context. That's what I should say. It's just mind boggling. And I know we all have our own opinion. And I know people think my opinion is wrong. But one thing a comment that was in that underneath that video, we don't want to be woke. We don't want to be woke. So in some sense, it's wrong. But a lot of people are mesmerized and idolize a man of power or money and things like that. These black men and black women that voted for Trump, you will never be able to be in a room. And if you are, it's a reason. They're benefiting from you. They're benefiting from you. Oh my God, I can't. But one lady has said, or it could have been my own, I don't know. I don't follow black content creators, so I don't know how you came across my For You page. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hate is taught. Think about all the kids in daycare playing with each other, everybody just mixing, mingling, rubbing snot, having a good time. It's taught. And it's taught indirectly. They hear parents' conversation, family conversation, see the world. It's crazy. I sit back and think about that college that ran outside once the election had, they said, projected for Trump. All those individuals that ran out, they was taught that. It's beyond being conservative, because you can still be a Democrat and be conservative. And I feel like you shouldn't even mix politics and religion together. It's two different animals. It's like you forcing people. God. But you know what? Somebody had to step down, and then somebody has to rise. I get it. That happens in basketball. It happens in football. It happens in competitions. It happens in singing contests. Whatever. There's always a winner and a loser. Or losers. Yes, I get that. But for the record, we good. One guy has said, the wrath of a black woman, when she is done, it is over with. The silence is serious. And the crazy part, I feel like some individuals, they get it. They get it. But again, we ain't gonna ramble on. Thank you to black people. I appreciate you. I thank you for being in my comments. I thank you for commenting. I thank you for standing up for me. I thank you for being there for me. And us being there for each other. I hope and pray that this is the last thing that I say about this, because I really want you guys to just get to know me. It's amazing that so many people are here. You're new, and I'm thankful and I'm grateful, and I want to say hello to you. But this is not the way you should get to know me. I want you to get to know me, through my content, and what I do here. So again, I thank you. I appreciate you being here. I hope you stay. Tell a friend, tell a cousin. Come on, hang out with your girl. And fellas, yes, if you're watching, I appreciate you again. And if you want to hang around, you can hang around too. We're going to keep it real neutral around here now. But my channel is definitely geared towards women over 40. And it's things that we all go through as women. That's why I cater my channel to women over 40, because it's not just black women that's going through it. White, Indian, Asian, Latino. It's We all go through it because we're women. We're women. And guess what? We all have reproductive systems. Well, not me. I thank you guys. I truly appreciate you. We're going to move forward. And I thank you again. Bye.